Hey guys, this is Bird from Inside Outline and welcome back to another Cricut video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make this really cute makeup bag or pencil bag. This is a back to school inspired video, and at the end of this video, I'll show you some of the items that I put together just to create a simple back to school gift for Sweet Lauren. So let's jump right in. So first, what I want to do is to type up my name. So I'll go to the text tool and type her name, Lauren. And then I want to change the font to the Hello Valentica font. I'll just type hello and I'll change it to system because this is a font that I got from thefont.com. And then I'll hit enter. And it is this first font right here. So I'll click on that. And what I want to do next is to weld my text together. So I will go down in the bottom right corner and click the weld button. Now, when this design cuts, it will cut as one piece. And I also want to add a heart at the very end. So what I'm going to do is to find an SVG file that I have uploaded before that has a heart with it. So I'll click the upload button, view all, and then search for Faith. Click on that and click add to canvas. Gonna make this bigger and just ungroup that design. All I want is this heart from that design, so I'll delete everything else. Gonna change this to black and move this over just a little bit. Then I will attach the entire design, and I want the width of this design to be 6 inches. So it was just as simple as that. So now what I'll do is to put the make it button. This is our design, and because I am using heat transfer vinyl or HTV, I want to come over on the left side and click the mirror button so that my design will be mirrored. Then I will click the continue button. My computer is going to connect to my Cricut machine. I'm going to choose everyday iron on, and now what I'll do is to hop over and show you the supplies and the actual makeup bag or pencil bag, and then I will begin putting the project together. So these are all the materials I'll be using for this project. I have my canvas pouch right here. It's a makeup pouch, or it can just be just a little pouch to put like pencils and different little items in. And I got this from Michael's, and don't know the actual dimensions of this, but I do like the little tassel on it, and it's a good size bag. Also have my HTV. And I have my Cricut EasyPress 2 as well. So what I'll do now is to put the HTV onto the mat, load it into my Cricut machine so that I can cut out the design. So my design has been cut into my HTV, and I'll just peel it off the mat. Use my scissors to cut out the design, cut out the extra. Then I'll take my weeder and weed out the design. And this is the finished design. So what I'll do is to take this off of the bag. Guess I'll leave that this little piece on there. Place the name where I want it on on the makeup bag. And I'm actually going to take my Cricut EasyPress mat and put it underneath this. Okay, so now I will take my EasyPress machine and press the HTV onto my makeup bag. So now I'm going to peel off the carrier sheet. And this is what the finished makeup bag looks like. What I'll do now is to just take my Teflon sheet, lay it over the top of my makeup bag, and press down again for 15 seconds. So this is what the finished makeup bag looks like. Again, this is one of the simplest HTV projects that I've ever created. Again, and also this makeup bag came from Michael's, but you can find these simple and cute makeup bags anywhere, even at Dollar Tree or maybe even on Amazon. So what I'll do now is to bring out the gift bag with all the goodies and just assemble it all together. So this is the box that has all the goodies in it, and as you can see, I have a color scheme going on. And all of these, or most of these items, I got from Dollar Tree. This was the only other thing that I got from Michael's, and these are some of my most favorite pens. I love that they have the inspirational phrases on them, and these pens work really good. So these two items I got from Michael's, and then everything else came from Dollar Tree, and I'll just pull it out so that you can see what it looks like. So this is just a little zipper pouch that says cool. These are some little snack containers, and it's 2 of them to a pack. This is a little scrunchie, and it's a fuzzy scrunchie, which I thought was really cute. Some index cards, and there is a little dotted perforated line that you can just easily tear them out. A notebook. See what those pages look like. This is a magnetic locker mirror. I thought that was really cute. This is a notebook that says Wild at Heart. I like that on the front, you know, she can write her class schedules, and then in the very back there are some little mathematic essentials. You have a multiplication table, a metric conversion table, and then tables of measure. So I thought that was really cool. And what is a planner without planner stickers? And there are 300 stickers in each of these packs, and as you can see, there's some stickers on the back side too. And then there's some goodies. She loves her sour worms, or sour gummy worms, so I got 2 bags of those. So what I'll do now, and I also got this bag from Dollar Tree, so I'll just open up this bag and drop everything in there. And again, this is a cute little back to school gift bag, very inexpensive, and I think there's some really nice items in here. And when you color coordinate it, everything, I think that just adds an extra touch to it as well. And then again, this very cute makeup bag, or she can put pencils or, you know, whatever little snacks or items she wants to in this bag. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.